Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair, connect and set up your DJI Mini 4 Pro with your controller and with your phone. It looks the same for Android and the iOS devices. So first of all, you have to start from charging both devices, the DJI controller. There you've got input for the USB-C cable, and the same for your aircraft. And the input for the charger is right here, also the USB-C. If you charge your devices for around 30 minutes, you will be able to easily pair them with your phone. And next, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and open the website Google, then type DJI download, and you have to go for the official DJI website and go to the download center. And right now all you have to do is just to get the application. So let's go for the DJI apps, and you have to get this one, DJI Fly. So click on it once, click to download the Android APK file, click right here to download anyway. And now we can go for the details, and you can just follow the process of downloading. In my case, that's in the Polish language, but it doesn't actually matter in your native language, or it will look the same. And right now we are able to prepare our controller. So I already screw this sticks. You can find them just right here. So you have to take them off and screw right here. I just unscrew, but you have to. I'm gonna screw back. Just like that. That's very simple. Also, in the box you can find this cable with the double USB-C. So this cable we are going to connect with our phone and with our device right here in this place. I hope that you can see it right now. Also, we can find the cable for the lightning input if you have iPhone like 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Because when you have iPhone 15, you've got the USB-C input. And yeah, now just wait for this download, and we are going forward with the another steps. And by the way, this cable I find plugged right here. It was just plugged right here in this place, but if you don't have it here, just take a look for your box, because it will be probably inside the box with other stuff. Now just click on this file that you download, click to install, click done, or you can click open actually. Now right now I have to rotate the device and click agree, accept all the permissions, click skip in the right upper corner. You can enable all of this switchers, click next. I don't want to improve, so click here. And right now we have to log in with our account. So without login you will be not able to activate your aircraft, so you have to do this. And if you don't have account, you can also create the account. So that's very simple actually. So let me just input my data. Okay, and if you do this, just click login. If you input your data, here we have some quick guide. We don't need this actually. And what you have to do right now, just click on the connection guide, click OK, select our DJI Mini 4 Pro. And right now all you have to do is just to put these sticks like I do right here. And then we have to open this plastic cover. We have to plug this cable like that in this position. There we go. And of course I can recommend you to put your phone like in this position to get the USB-C on this side. It will be much easier to plug, because if you put it like that, it will be definitely harder to plug it. You are going to bend this cable. It will be not good for this cable. It could be broke, for example. And right now you have to just put your phone right here. Let me show you. In this position we have to put our phone. Of course there is a chance that you have to remove your your case from the phone, and be sure that you don't put your buttons to stick right here. So just put it like that. Then lift this part, and there we go. So right now plug this cable, and after a few seconds you will get pop-up information on your screen. Of course we have to power on this controller by clicking and then holding this button. Click OK if you have this information. Do this twice. Click on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Right now, as you can see, we have to unfold the front and the rear aircraft arms, like I did. We have to also input the battery. That's very simple actually, like that. And then click and hold the button, like with the remote controller. Now just put it on the flat surface next to you, and after a few seconds you will be successfully connected. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.